Here with linebacker Ben Walquist, and Ben, a big victory today for the Bethel football team. Talk about the defense you guys played, shutting out the Tommies in the first half and then holding tight in the second.
Yep, definitely. I think we just came out with the attitude that we were going to try and dominate. Josh Trimer, one of the vocal leaders on our defense, he right away was saying, you know, we're playing this game. We're not just trying to squeak by. We're trying to dominate and shut them out. And we did that in the first half, and it was awesome. It was fun.
Well, one of the big keys to your success was a critical interception late in the second half. You were able to make that big play. Talk about what you saw in that play, and then obviously how it turned your defense around.
Yeah, that was actually Coach Frazier. He had us keying on that play all week, and very specific. You know, play action, single receiver side, just run to them and become the receiver on the play, and that's what happened. And luckily, I was able to, you know, holler in these stones I got, but. Yeah, it was a blast. It was fun to be able to celebrate with the teammates and you know, give the ball back to the offense, which was most important.
Well, let's talk about, you just came out of the locker room. What's the juice like in the locker room, especially as you know you just went to 13 straight wins over an MIAC opponent?
Yeah, definitely. You know, guys are dancing, smiling, laughing, patting each other on the back, and just having a blast. You know, enjoying it.
Well, next week you get Gustavus, another one-loss opponent. And big week again for the Bethel football team. Thanks a lot, Ben.
Yep, thank you.